this is Michelle with Pink and Maine. Thanks for joining me today. We are going to be putting together the cards in our quick card kit for fall. Our quick card kits are a new product for us here at Pink and Maine. We have put together a card kit for you that includes everything you need to put together 8 of the most adorable fall themed cards that you can imagine. And all you need, besides the card kit, is your favorite glue or adhesive. That's right. All you need to put these 8 adorable cards together is your favorite glue or adhesive. You can also add dimensional foam adhesive if you want to add more dimension to your cards. When you purchase our quick card kit for fall, you're going to get everything you need to put together these 8 cards other than the glue. So you're going to get a guide like you see here. It's a picture guide that's going to show you what is on each card. We don't have written instructions because really they go together so easily. You're going to see that you're going to be able to put together these cute cards with just the images of the cards that we've put together for you. Now you can always be a card making rebel and you can go out on your own and you can produce 8 totally different cards than what we've come up with for you. Or you can be that perfectionist that follows the guide to the T and makes the cards just as we have. It's all up to you. It's your card kit now. So once you have it, you make the cards your own. Besides the photo guide that you get to put the cards together, you're going to get 8 A2 size envelopes so that once your cards are made, they're ready to send or give to your recipients. You're also going to get 8 pre-scored cards or card bases. We're giving you some crystal clear enamel dots just to add a little extra something to finish off your cards. Last but certainly not least, you're going to get all the ephemera and die cuts pre-cut for you, ready to add to the cards. Now I've got all my die cuts laid out in front of me for my 8 cards. One tip I would say is to organize yourself and to pull out all the parts and pieces you need for each card and make a pile for each card. That way when you go to make it, you have everything together ready to go. You're going to also notice that you're going to get some extra, a little ephemera die cut pieces. And you can use those to add to the cards, to add a little something extra to give your own touch to them. Or might I suggest that you use them to decorate the outside of your envelopes? That can be super fun. So the recipient gets a little peek of the cuteness that waits inside the envelope. I've got all my pieces separated. I've got my little pile of extras over here. So I'll start with the first card, and this is going to be so much fun just to glue it all down and create an adorable card. Here I have the starting of the first card with the pumpkins on it. I think these card kits are perfect for any level of card making. These are great for taking on the go if you're going to be traveling and want a little something to do with your hobby but not have to carry a lot of supplies. Just bring your favorite glue, this card kit, and you can make some wonderful cards in your extra time. As I said, you can glue everything flat down to the card, so it's a nice flat card for mailing. Or if you like to add a little extra dimension, you can add foam adhesive, and that will just raise the elements up ever so slightly just to give you a little added extra dimension to the card. I'm going to add a few of our clear enamel dots. And there's our first card. Super simple, super quick, but oh so cute. I've got the pieces for our next card ready to go, so let's start gluing them down. This time I decided to add some foam adhesive to the circle where our little characters are gonna sit on. Just pops that up and adds a little extra dimension. And there's our next card. And if you don't think this card looks finished to you, you think it needs a little added something, remember you've got a little pile of extras that you could add to it if you want to. Let's put together our third card. Aren't these little papers included? The little die cut pieces, aren't they just so cute? And they draw everything together because they've got different icons and elements from the entire kit. Oh, isn't that sweet? I'm gonna leave this one just as it is. I love that little fox and his little hot cocoa mug. Wishing you pumpkin spice and everything nice. Adorable. Let's put our fourth card together. And if you're looking at the card, trying to figure out which layers go on top or underneath which ones, lay it out on the card first. See how it looks before you glue it down. So for this one, we laid down the orange and teal rectangle piece first, and then we put the two strips, the orange and the lime green, right over that. Next, I'm gonna add this semicircle with the leaves. It just looks so cute. We're gonna glue down this super cute rain boot with all the flowers coming out of it. I put a piece of foam adhesive behind this little flower with the leaves. I just want it to pop up just a little more from the card. I'm gonna add that to the side of the boot there, and then we'll add our sentiment. And there's our fourth card. I think 2 of those little clear enamel dots will fit perfectly on each side of our sentiment here in that little rounded portion of the frame. You could even add some of those to the insides of the flowers if you like. I think that came out super cute. We're halfway through, and even though I've designed these, I'm having so much fun putting these together. So this one is getting started. And I could have printed this entire piece as one flat piece, but I wanted you to have dimension to your cards. I wanted you to be able to put them together and they still have that great handmade card look. There's this card. I'm gonna add some of those clear dots to it to give a little shine. I love that little autumn blessings banner that goes across underneath these flowers. And I know I've got some extra flowers and leaves in my little extra pile that you could add on to add more details. That would be really cute. And there you have our 5th card. Moving right along, we've got another cute one. I love the plaid in this one, the cute little squirrels. Let's put it together. And there's our 6th card. Super cute. I put foam adhesive behind the squirrels to pop them up just a little bit, but you can always glue them flat down to the card, whatever your preference is. We're on our 7th card now, and we're just gonna glue it together. I love the floral print on this one. Really pretty. So far, so good. Isn't that cute? I love those socks, the mittens, the sweater. Perfect for fall. And we'll add the sentiment. It says, stay cozy. Now I'll just add a couple little clear drops. And there's our 7th card. Super cute. And last but not least, we're now going to put our 8th card together. So for this card, I have layered the wood grain piece first, then the teal blue pattern paper, and this two-tone orange square next. Now I'm going to add the trees, and then the sentiment strip and the little fox. And there is our final card, the 8th card in the set. I think it's really cute. So we've got all these little extra pieces left. Why don't we decorate an envelope just to give it a little something extra and to match and coordinate and go with the card that goes inside. You can either decorate the flap on the back, you could decorate the front, just leave room for your address if you're gonna mail it. I'm just gonna put a little something down in the front right corner of the card. Just play around with your extra pieces and just see what you think looks good together. I'm gonna put these 2 pumpkins and that little hedgehog. I think it's adorable. And then we have a little decorated envelope to go with our cards. And still plenty of pieces to decorate more. Thank you again so much for joining me as we put together the cards in our quick card kit for fall. This quick card kit is perfect for all levels of card maker, from, hey, I'm a newbie, to, oh, I've been doing this forever. They're super fun to put together, and they're even great for kids. Head on over to pinkandmane.com. We have a limited number of these available, but if you love them, perhaps we'll do some more in the future. Until next time, my friends, keep living the creative life.